So honestly, that's what people are doing now, is that they're building experiments or they're writing proposals to get research grants to build experiments to then measure things. Even, for example, the supersymmetry topic that we read about and discussed a few lives ago. Even that needs to be confirmed, right? Like there could be a theoretical prediction or a theory about something that is needed in order to confirm that theory. Even string theory, right, requires supersymmetry. But if supersymmetry is never confirmed experimentally, then it will always remain a mystery. And in order to confirm supersymmetry involves a difficult experiment and efforts to build that experiment, and that just takes time. So partly also um, we don't have a lot of great results as often, maybe because these require experiments to come out with their results, and it takes time to build those experiments and do those experiments. So this is why the 21st century is very, very different. So well noted by Combat Sports, who said that the 20th century was very different. And indeed, in the 21st century, it doesn't seem like we have made as much progress. It seems that way. We've made progress with technology, but we haven't made progress as much with learning deeper and more insights. I don't like marinara. No. Um, it will be a pleasure, although I was a mechanics professor. Maybe quantums is not my best. That's okay, Alfredo. You can still share something from mechanics, maybe classical mechanics, Newtonian dynamics. How about that? Pesto is immaculate. Just imagine pesto on chickpeas. Oh, very true. I share life-changing ideas. Yeah, so if Chickpea Break is supporting me, that's a good thing, Doro. You might want to do the same. Be supportive, or I will not feel very supported. Alfredo Oindri and I are good friends on here. I'm her first member too. Oh my gosh, that's right, Alfredo. You might want to join Steven and become a member. How about that? I am starting to add more member-specific content to the channel. So thank you so much, Steven, for becoming a member. Everyone, become a member. Mix of physics and cats. This is the channel of my dreams. Oh my God, Alfredo. I am so glad you found us, because it is the channel of your dreams. We cover both kitty cats, kittens, lovely fur babies, babies who are children who are feline, as well as physics, including astronomy, astrophysics, and cosmology, all my favorite topics. I used to have a telescope as a kid. Oh, okay, okay. So marinara sauce, Alfredo, I don't know if you would approve of such a thing. It's a type of sauce that we put. I don't want to tell you about Italian food. Maybe honestly, Alfredo, our other favorite topic here is food. I eat a lot of chickpeas, so one of my mods has named himself Chickpea. Thank you. Thank you, Cooper's and Parker's Fishing Channel. Hello, Cooper's and Parker's. Thank you for being here. So, Alfredo, you should tell us something about food, because Italian food is my second favorite food after Indian food. Isabel Lauren, hello. Isabel, have we seen you here before? I feel like we have. Oh my gosh. I feel this sounds that name sounds very familiar. Isabel, how are you doing? Grimmy says, Google it. Good night, Grimmy. Um, okay, so I wanted to say hi to everybody. Thank you again for being here. Let me now get into the book. So once again, we were discussing how string theory as a grand unified theory candidate needed to contain both relativity as well as quantum mechanics. And in doing so, it ends up because of mathematical reasons and because of avoiding